Hello and welcome to Lydia Isaac Healthy Lifestyle. Please, if you like my video, remember to hit the red button and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. Thank you very much for watching. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect Nigeria akara. So what we're going to be using to make akara today is black-eyed beans. So I just soaked my beans already, and as you can see, I'm just trying to peel off the skin that I'm going to use for my beans akara. So in the process of trying to wash your beans, what you are going to do is that you're just going to squeeze and peel off the skin of your beans because it's already soaked, so it's easy for the skin to go out. But if you like the other process, you can as well just blend the beans a little bit to take off the skin. The process as well is very much easy, or you can skip this process and just get yourself already peeled beans. So right now, as you can see, I have washed my beans a bit far. It's getting more clean now. You can see most of the skin are already getting off. So what you just do is you keep on adding water to rinse off the skin of the beans, and make sure you keep on squeezing the beans to take off the skin that are remaining. So right now, as you can see here, I have two bowls of beans. This one is the one I peeled and washed myself, and this one is the already peeled beans that I have at home. I just used the other one so I can show you how to peel your beans if you can't get the already peeled beans. But most preferably, I just like to use my peeled beans because it's easy for me. I don't have to go through the stress of washing my beans, taking me all the time to wash it, so I always use the peeled beans. So right now, as you can see, I'm trying to blend my beans that I'm going to be using to make akara. While blending your beans, please make sure you add a little water because you need a very thick consistency. Here, as you can see, I'm using my hand blender to blend the remaining batch of my beans because my blender was being funny, so I just have to get my hand blender to blend my beans, of which I found it more easy because it's more thick when I use my hand blender. I don't have to add more water. I just add a very little drop of water and it goes very perfectly. So right here, you can see I have my onion, I have my pepper that I'm going to be chopped into pieces that I will use to mix inside my beans. If you like, you can blend it with your beans. If you like, you can slice it. It doesn't matter, the both goes perfectly. So right now, I'm just going to heat my oil that I will use to fry my akara. Make sure you have enough oil and preheat it for like 5 minutes. So I'm going to add salt to season. When you're adding your salt, add a little and try to taste if it's enough. This one I'm adding right now is grounded crayfish. So if you like, you can add your grounded crayfish to give it some taste. If you don't have, you can skip that process. It doesn't matter. So I'm just going to stir my beans for some minutes. I'll make sure I stir my beans till it properly have all the ingredients in all of the beans, so I can have the taste all over all the beans of my salt and my crayfish. So while your oil is hot, you just use a spoon or an ice cream scoop to cut to take some of the beans and put into your hot oil. While you're doing this process, you try to bring down the heat of the fire so the akara doesn't get burnt while the inside is still uncooked. So you leave your fire in a medium heat. So right now my akara is getting ready, it's almost getting ready, and I'm just going to stir one more time, then I'll take it out of the oil. As you can see, I have some serviette paper on my plate that I'm going to be putting the akara, so it will drain off the oil that is still on the akara. So I have made some batch of akara, and I'm just trying to make the last one. As you can see, the akara looks very nice and it tastes very nice as well. So guys, please, if you like this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, as I'll be posting a lot more of African dishes, Spanish dishes, and a lot recipe on kids meal as well. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Bye.